What up? We got a money saver video today. 2025 Volkswagen Jetta. We're gonna jump right into this. I believe this was a Torx 10, could be a Torx 15, but we'll just zip these out, follow them all the way around the edge. Believe it's gonna be one on the right, two in the back, two on the left, two in the front. Once you get those, oh, here's your part number right here. You can pause the screen. That's AutoZone, but you can reference that at O'Reilly or wherever else. So I'm gonna just lift it up enough. You can see that vacuum line. I'm not gonna disconnect it. I'll just make sure I only pop it up enough to get that air filter out, toss it, grab your new one, put that in. There is an up and a down, so make sure it's facing the right way. That way the lid fits back on correctly. You don't have any leaks. Slide that lid back on. We're gonna zip these back in and just make sure you go back around all the edges, have them all tied up. This is a good time to look around your engine bay, check your fluids, but you're done. Once you get those tightened up, game over.